Hi, I'm Brittany, a master's student in biomedical science. I'm going to show you how to put your rocket launcher together. You can check out the instruction manual online as you put your launcher together. Check out the link in the information below. First, you'll need some tools that don't come in your kits. An adjustable wrench, 4mm and 5mm Allen keys, a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic 1.5 litre soda bottle, tap water, and a bike pump. A foot pump is best. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Check to see you have all the right parts. Step 2. With the black cable stop facing you, shake the thread locker bottle well and put 4 to 5 drops at the edge of the threads and screw the fitting into the manifold. Wipe off any excess blue goo before tightening the fittings. Align the air pressure gauge at a 45-degree angle facing the front so it's easier to read. Step 3. Screw the hose connector on top tightly so it seals with the rubber gasket. Attach the cable stop over the hose connector. Don't over-tighten the clamp or the hose connector will break. Apply the blue thread locker around the thread of the stainless steel tube before screwing it into the manifold. You have to wait at least 24 hours for the thread locker to harden before you use your launcher. Step 4. Now put your launcher onto the plastic base with the stainless steel Phillips screw. Stretch out the brake cable and place the fat barrel part into the brake lever slot. Then secure it with the slack adjustment ring. Insert the other end of the cable into the manifold cable stop and push the hose connector down. Then place the end of it into the black cable stop. Here's a tip. You can also increase or decrease any brake cable slack by lifting or lowering the cable stop. Step 5. You don't want a leaky rocket, so check for leaks before your first launch. Using the funnel, pour a cup of water into your bottle. Place the bottle onto your launcher and press it down until you hear a loud click. Pressurize to 80 psi with your bike pump to see if any water is escaping. If so, pull the ring on the relief valve to release pressure. Then, tighten or reseal it with the thread locker. Keep the relief valve slits away from your face to avoid getting water in your eyes.